Hey guys, John here, T4 family. Welcome to another episode of the T5 project build. Today we're going to be talking about one of our luxury off-grid things, and that is being able to keep our food cool. And that means we're talking about 12-volt refrigeration. This video is sponsored by BodegaEU. Thank you very much for providing us with this fridge CR50X to review and to showcase. You can find links to buy this fridge in the description of the video, as well as making 12-volt compressor fridges. BodegaEU also make a range of portable coolers that you can tow along that also have compressor style fridges on. So check out the links in the description. Lots of different styles of fridge depending on your need. This is what we've gone for, which is the 12-volt campervan fridge. Let me show you a little bit more about it. So here we have the BodegaEU CR50X campervan fridge. As you'll see, it's very similar in terms of dimensions to other campervan fridges on the market. Just to give you a quick heads up, your dimensions are 38 centimeters across the width. It's 53 centimeters top to bottom and 48 centimeters front to back. You probably hear there the compressor's just kicked in. That's powered by just two cables. It's just positive and negative on the 12 volt. When in operation, this fridge is rated to 60 watts, which is 5 amps. What we have found though, by keeping an eye on the power usage, is it usually draws more like 35 to 45 watts. So at its rated capacity, 60 watts, it's a 5 amp draw. We recommend that you oversize the wiring slightly on all of your fridge side of things and hook it up to a 10 amp fuse. So thicker cables run to the back of the fridge and you'll be fine there. So let's push this one back into the unit and then I will give you a quick tour of the features inside. Here you see the fridge set back into our units. It's very happy in there. It's not going to move. There is the option where you can screw through the side of the fridge and attach it to the unit, but we find that you generally don't need to do that. It will sit where you put it. If you're bouncing around on rocky roads, you might want to attach it to the unit, but apart from that, it should be fine. So let's have a look inside. So we have got a 45 litre capacity fridge freezer combined unit. So this consists of a 41 litre fridge area, and up here we have a 4 litre freezer compartment. You can use this fridge as a fridge freezer, as we've got it configured here, or you can remove the freezer box and use it as a 45 litre fridge. So you have some flexibility there in what you want to put in there. Adjustable wire baskets or a wire shelf. You can adjust that up and down depending on how much height you need. You've got the salad crisper at the bottom there, which is going to keep your fruit and vegetables a bit cooler. Moving on to the door, and you will see we have removable shelf items here. So you can take these off. You'll have to take the top one off if you want a full height milk bottle. That's one thing that we had spotted. Apart from that, you have got plenty of room there. Just clip that one back in. So fridge light in the corner there comes on when you open the door, turns off when you shut the door. Moving on to the front display. Now, this is something we really like about this BodegaEU fridge, is that the temperatures are on the outside of the fridge. So what you can see here is this is the current temperature of the freezer box. This is the current temperature of the fridge. You'll see that it's going up because we just had the door open, so it's reacting to that. Great thing about this is you can set the fridge and the freezer independently. Now, this is something you can't do on other models. The fridge that we had in our other van, you can only set a level, so how cold the overall fridge gets, and then that translates into how cool each section gets. So if we hit the settings icon, you see this one here flashing. This is the temperature, or the target temperature of the fridge. Press it again, you've got the target temperature of the freezer. So we can adjust this. The freezer goes right down to -20. Or up to, I think it's -12. Let me have a look. Yeah, -12. And then if we flip back over to the fridge, we can go all the way down to 0 on its coldest setting, or we can go all the way up to 8 on its warmest setting. So plenty of flexibility there. When you're not using the fridge, it's quite easy to turn off. Just press and hold the power button. Give it a moment, display goes off, and a few seconds, and the compressor in the fridge fan will stop as well. So that's a very quick tour of how the fridge works. There is one more thing though that we want to show you, as well as having the controls on the front. This fridge is Bluetooth connected, so there is an app. So give me just a moment and I'll get the app. Okay, excuse the darkness. It's just started raining, so I had to shut the door behind me. But here you can see, you should be able to see, I've got an app here, the Car Fridge Freezer app. We go ahead and open that one up, and you'll see that we have the information that we've got from the fridge. So what this is showing us here is the current temperature of the fridge is 8 degrees. The target temperature is set to 7 degrees. If we have a look at the freezer, we can see that the current temp is -14 and the target temperature is -12. So as well as seeing the display on the front of the fridge, you've also got the ability to see it on your phone. Some good features that we've got on the phone, we can set the target temperature from the app. That's quite handy if you don't want to get out of bed and you need to adjust the fridge. You can do that. The other good thing you can do from the app is you can set the level of battery protection. So this fridge has 3 levels of battery protection. We'll be using it on its highest setting. So what this will do is it will make sure that the fridge cuts out well before the battery gets to a dangerously low state. So this is the app. Really good bit of kit. It's different. We've not seen a fridge with Bluetooth before. Obviously, technology's come on quite a bit since we bought our last fridge. But yeah, if that's something that you need, you can also see the battery temperature. Sorry, not the battery temperature, the battery voltage there as well. So you can keep an eye on your battery voltage. A handy little addition. That's pretty much it for the review and show you how things are working. One thing I forgot to mention is, although the door is set up to open to the right hand side, it is reversible. So you can swap the hinges from the right side to the left side and have it opening up to the left hand side. Once again, the links to purchase this BodegaEU 12-volt fridge will be in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or reach out to us on Instagram. If you like the video and it's been helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to find out more, see more videos that we're putting together, get notified when the next T5 build video comes out, be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. So that's it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again soon.